Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, privacy glass, rear-wheel drive, tires front all-season, tires rear all-season, 4-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration, keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.